Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to install Better Discord. To install Better Discord on your PC, what you'll need to do is first thing, open up your browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in Better Discord. After you type in Better Discord, you could see the first link that appears. You want to click that out. It will then directly take you to their official page. Make sure to verify all of these terms and all that. When you are taken to the official page, you could see it downloads the version. It's gonna run the exe file. Just wait patiently until it's completely installed. After it is completely installed, you want to open up your file explorer so that you can install it. Now go to the download section from the left hand side corner, and here you have a Better Discord. Double click on the file and make sure to click on the run button. Confirm all the terms and conditions if you accept it so, and tap on the next button. All you have to do is just go ahead and select it so, and click on the install and next button. Select the browser as well and all that, and this way you'll have successfully installed Better Discord on your PC. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.